were worked out at, so after 272, 3 were stayed or postponed, left us with 269, 13 were independents. You would see 256 is the number which was worked out. This is the number of seats which were secured or won by the political parties. And 9 independents, the total went to 265. Now this is 265 is the number on the basis of which the share of each political parties was then worked out. The quota at the top, above, right?
That was the total strength of the House?
No, the total strength of the House at the relevant time was 269.
269.
4 independents were excluded, which then the number which was left was 265. It is this 265 number which was used to determine the quota or the basis for working out the share of each political party. Right above the column,
10 रिजर्व सीट क्या है ना, ये बाकी रिजर्व सीट कहाँ गई?
वो अगले पेजेस पे आ गए सर। वो बिकॉज प्रोविंसेस का तो प्रोविंस बाय प्रोविंस चलना है।
नेशनल असेंबली में टोटल रिजर्व सीट कितनी थी उस वक्त?
सर 60 थी विमेन की, नॉन मुस्लिम्स की 10 सीट है। मैं भी आपको विमेन पे ले जाऊंगा बिकॉज उसके लिए वी हैव टू गो थ्रू प्रोविंस टू प्रोविंस चलना होगा। सो ये तो है इन टोटल। So 265, right above the column you'd see the quota was 265 divided by 10. So against every 26.5 seats, there was 1 reserved seat for non-Muslims, and then the seats were accordingly distributed amongst the parties which appear in the first 4 rows, according to the seats. And in the third column from the right-hand side, you'd see how the seats were then worked out. In the first row, it is PTI, which had a total of 125 general seats. It was divided by 26.5, and the seat was 4.72, and then the highest fraction, it was rounded off to 5, in accordance with Rule 94, and so on and so forth. And then when the last party, which was MMAP, against 12 seats, it got the fraction was 0.45, but it got rounded off to 1, and they were also entitled to 1 seat. So this is how the formula was applied. The independents were excluded, point being that the independents were excluded. And the following page, page 11, this is now the distribution of seats of National Assembly women's seats from Punjab. In this case, it was pretty straightforward because out of 141 seats, there were 132 were elected on political party tickets. They were their candidates or nominees. 7 independents who joined political parties. So the entire 139 was formed the basis. Two results were postponed, which belonged to Punjab. And then this follows at page 12. In page 12, in Sindh, in case of Sindh, one member retained his independent status. He was also excluded. AP, there was no exclusion. In Balochistan, there was 1 exclusion at page 14. Out of total 16 seats, there was 1 candidate who was independent. He retained his independent status. You would see on page 14 that the quota was then worked out on the basis of 15 seats. And so on and so forth. Now, if I may take your lordships for a moment to page 4. These are the rules which are called National Assembly and Provincial Assemblies Allocation of Reserved Seats of Women and Non-Muslims Procedure Rules 2002. Now these are material in 2 respects.
These have not been repealed.
But sir, I'll come to that because 2017 ने फिर इनको repeal किया. Rules 4 and 5 are in pari materia with Rules 94 and 95 of 2017 rules.
Rule 4 is pari materia to?
294, and Rule 5 is pari materia with Rule 95. The sub-rule 2 of Rule 5 with 1 material difference which is not relevant for the purpose of this discussion, this case. At that point in time, I just, for the sake of completeness, under the 2002 rules, my lord, yesterday जब आपने मुझे 95-1 पढ़ने का कहा तो उसमें कहा कि जो लोग 2 सीटों पे जीत के आएंगे तो वो exclude नहीं होंगे for the purpose of working out the share. But under Rule 5, Sub-Rule 2 of these rules, they were excluded. In addition to the independents, they were also excluded, but this was done away with while making 2017 rules. And under the 2017 rules, it is only the independents who get excluded.